In this video, I'll show you how to create a project in Asana. First, sign into your Asana account and open your workspace. From the left-hand sidebar, click the Create button, then select Project to start a new project. Next, choose whether you want to start with a blank project, use one of Asana's templates, or import your work from another source if that option is available. Enter a project name, choose the privacy settings, and select the team that will own the project before continuing. After that, choose the project layout that best fits your workflow, such as list, board, timeline, or calendar. Once the project is created, begin adding sections, tasks, due dates, assignees, and any custom fields your team needs to organize the work efficiently. Now, click the Customize button to configure additional features such as project color, rules, forms, integrations, or notifications. Take a moment to review your project settings and invite teammates if you'll be collaborating with others. Finally, start adding your tasks and tracking progress as work moves forward. You can return to your project at any time to update tasks, monitor deadlines, and keep your team organized in one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a project in Asana. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.